Good afternoon, students. Today we will see the another course in your which are present in your syllabus, Economics and Financial Management for SY Tech Semester 4 to Computer Science and Engineering branch. About the course name is Economics and Financial Management and course code is RCP 23XHS282 for the 4th semester of the SY Tech students in the Computer Science and Engineering Data Science branch. The prerequisites for this course is knowledge of economics and finance domain current affairs. Then the course objectives are given below, like first to describe the relationships among variables to analyze economic issues, second to explain the function of the market and prices as an allocative mechanism, third one to identify key microeconomics indicators and measures of economic change, growth and development. Next is to understand basic concepts of financial management and their application in investment and financing decisions. And last one is to explore the relationship between financial management and financial statements. After that, the course outcomes for this course are: first course outcome is analyze individual decision making, price and quantity determination in product and factor markets and micro and macroeconomics outcomes. For this outcome, the Bloom's level is L4 and Bloom's category is analyze. Second course outcomes for this course is analyze the performance and functioning of the government, RBI, markets and institution in addressing social and economic issues. And for this outcome, Bloom's level is L4 and Bloom's category is again analyze. Third outcome is analyze India's current economic status in the global context and evaluate budget provisions for national economic issues. Again, the Bloom's level and Bloom's categories are same, that is L4 and analyze. The next course outcome is explain the role and importance of the finance function, and the Bloom's level is L2 and Bloom's category is understand for this outcome. Next one is analyze financial performance and draw appropriate inference, and the Bloom's level and Bloom's categories are L4 and analyze respectively. Then if you see the content of this course, first units cover the introduction to economics, in which fundamentals of economics, definition and scope of economics, nature of economic problem, finite resources and unlimited wants, definition of the factors of production and their rewards. And the second part which cover microeconomic and macroeconomics, in which the role of markets in allocating resources, the market system, introduction to the price mechanism, that is demand, supply and price determination. Second unit is on role of government and RBI in the economics, in which money, banking, households, firms, economies and diseconomies of the scale, market structure, fiscal policy, monetary policy, economic growth and causes and consequences of the recession are included. Third unit covers the government policies, in which last 20-year journey of Indian economy, measures taken to grow Indian economy, meaning of India is the world's 5th largest economy by nominal GDP and the 3rd largest by purchasing power parity, that is PPP. On the per capita income basis, India ranked 139th by GDP and 127 by GDP PPP. Comparisons of top 5 largest economies in the world are also included in this unit. Next, fourth unit covers the overview of financial management, that is fourth and fifth unit are based on the financial management, in which first is fundamentals of the financial management, principles and functions of the financial management, strategy, methods and techniques of the financial management, and lastly overview of the financial instruments, financial markets and financial institutions. And the last unit covers the overview of financial statements like balance sheet, profit and loss account and cash flow statement, purpose of financial ratio analysis, liquidity ratio, efficiency of or activity ratios, then profitability ratios, Then lastly, capital structure ratios and the